ChatGPT became a global phenomenon upon its release, sparking widespread excitement about AI's advanced future potential. And the branch of AI behind impressive models like ChatGPT is called Generative AI. Generative because it can generate new data or content. The word generative highlights the system's ability to create something new, rather than process existing data. Every conversation you have with ChatGPT is open-ended. The model, trained on extensive text data, generates new and unique real-time responses. Similarly, providing DALL-E, OpenAI's image generation model, with a detailed description will prompt it to create a unique picture tailored to your specifications. This illustrates the core capability of generative AI, producing novel content by leveraging patterns learned from training data, a common feature among these models. But AI developers can use several different techniques to achieve generative AI, including large language models, diffusion models, generative adversarial networks, neural radiance fields, and hybrid models are also possible. I'll briefly describe each type of these generative AI. Large language models, or LLMs, are the foundational technology behind ChatGPT. I want to provide more details and give you a good foundational understanding of NLP, language models, and the development of models like ChatGPT. To grasp the workings and origins of this vital technology, we've dedicated the next 2 sections of the course to a detailed introduction. LLMs are neural networks trained on vast text volumes, learning to predict word relationships and the next likely word in a sentence. But more on LLMs in the next section. Diffusion models, like DALL-E, are advanced AI tools primarily used for generating images and video. During operation, DALL-E begins with a random noise pattern and progressively refines it into a detailed image, applying requested shapes and learned patterns through multiple steps to enhance realism. Generative adversarial networks, or GANs, introduced in 2014, are commonly used for generating text and images. GANs function by comparing 2 algorithms. One generates content, while the other judges its realism. Through this interaction, both algorithms enhance their capabilities, refining the content until it's nearly indistinguishable from reality. Neural radiance is a specialized AI for 3D modeling, which emerged around 2020. And lastly, the increasingly popular hybrid approach combines LLMs and GANs into one powerful content generation system. Currently, there's an incredible amount of investment in different generative AI initiatives around the world, with the big tech firms leading the pack. It definitely feels like this is the key AI domain everyone's paying attention to. And how could they not? Generative AI can create and work with content in various formats, including text, images, videos, audio, data, code, design, and 3D. As technology improves, it will significantly impact the corporate world. Therefore, it will be highly advantageous to understand how it operates and how we can be at the forefront of this remarkable innovation.